So you've self-diagnosed that you or a loved one has the signs and symptoms of anxiety, and you are ready to let that go. Here are a few key tips you can use in order to let go of anxiety so you are able to keep calm, clear, and decisive responses. Today we are going to learn about what I call the de-escalate and reintegrate process. To make life easier for you, I'm going to separate these trainings into 2 videos. This one will talk about what is the de-escalate and reintegrate process and why it is so useful. The next video will be the actual application of the process that you can follow along with me so you can get the best results. Be sure not to skip the first video, as you will not receive all the benefit if you don't understand the magic behind the process. Now, before jumping in, hi, I'm Elizabeth Scarcella. I'm a stress and anxiety expert helping you get to the root cause of why you are no longer able to have calm, clear, and decisive responses. It is my mission to guide you in releasing stress and anxiety in the workplace as well as at home. The de-escalate and reintegrate process is based on 3 therapeutic modalities that I have fused together to give you more positive impact. The first step in beginning the de-escalate process is to become aware and then accept what you are currently feeling and thinking. Whether it be a situation you cannot control, a personality trait that is hard to change, or an emotion that overwhelms you, accepting it can allow you to move forward. This does not mean you have to like it, condone it, or want it to continue. The next step is to diffuse your feelings and thinking. Diffusion is about realizing that thoughts and feelings are just what they are, thoughts and feelings. This allows you to begin to separate the permeance of the situation so you can let go of worry and fear that you will remain in this unwanted feeling or thought state. In the diffusing step, we ask ourselves a series of questions to begin seeing the situation in an upgraded way, one that feels so much more peaceful. The third step in the process is to begin tapping away all those thoughts and feelings that you are now aware of. Tapping, also known as emotional freedom technique, is a therapeutic process that is similar to acupuncture, except we don't use needles. Thank goodness. EFT focuses on the meridian points, or energy hotspots, to restore balance to our body's energy. In restoring this energy balance, we can relieve the symptoms a negative experience or emotion may have caused. Once you can begin letting go of de-escalating the negative or burdensome thoughts and feelings, you can begin to reintegrate what you would like to be feeling. That is in the final step. We use the 3rd psychological modality called EMDR, or eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, which is a fancy name to mean we use both hemispheres of the brain concurrently while focusing on what you want to think and feel. The body and brain much more easily can integrate the new outcome because you are appealing to both the logical and emotional mind at the same time. Therefore, we can agree on the new thought and feeling. One way that we get both the hemispheres of the brain to communicate is to cross our arms and to begin tapping on each collarbone by going back and forth between them, just like this. Okay, so there you have it, the 4 steps to the de-escalation and reintegration process to use when you are feeling or thinking something that causes you to feel overwhelmed, uncertain, or angry. Now in the next video, I will demonstrate how to use this process so that you too can practice this beneficial therapeutic modality in order to feel calm, clear, and decisive.